we are supposed to know something about the history. So a very common misconception that we have is this is the latest trend, direct sinus lift. It has come just couple of years back. That is actually wrong. Please understand. The sinus lift procedure was introduced way back by Tatum in 1974. Then later on he presented it in 76 in Alabama Implant Conference in Birmingham. Later on, finally, in 1980, the first publication came. So this sinus lift existed when even the senior dentists were doing their BDs. But the issue is, since in India it came later on, we started thinking that this is a recent trend, and since as a dental surgeon we weren't used to doing over-invasive surgeries, we started avoiding this thing. Okay? So this approach is known as modified Caldwell-Look approach. So what is this Caldwell-Look operation? Caldwell-Look operation is a very old operation done by ENT surgeons, which was introduced by Henry Caldwell, George Caldwell and Henry Look way back. So this was quite an old procedure done by ENT surgeons. We as dental surgeons modified the procedure which was done by ENT surgeons. So what was the modification done? The modification basically was that in Caldwell-Look procedure, the ENT surgeons, what they used to do was, any patient who used to come to them for basically chronic sinusitis, they used to remove the entire sinus lining, cnidaриan membrane, out of the sinus. That was the first difference. They used to make a cavity over the canine fossa area. We on the other hand make the cavity, the window, over the edentulous area where we are planning to place the implants. That is the first difference. Location of the opening you are making in the sinus. The second difference is in Caldwell-Look, the ENT surgeons used to remove the entire thing. We simply end up lifting the membrane. So please understand,